Most of us will rely on our fishmonger to scale, clean and fillet our fish for us. However, from time to time, it may fall to the cook to do it, especially if you have an angler in the family. Scaling and cleaning fish is messy, so set yourself up near to a sink with a surface that can be wiped down easily. One can buy a special fish scaling instrument, but unless you are expecting to scale a lot of fish, the back of a heavy knife will do quite well. Use salted water in the sink or in a bowl for rinsing. In this video, we have selected the popular fish snapper. Cut off all fins as they can give you a very nasty jab. It is easier to scale a fish before cleaning it. Run the knife against the grain of the scales, working from the tail end to the head end of the fish, rinsing as you go. You will almost certainly still end up with fish scales in your hair. Check that all the scales have been removed by running your fingers over the body. Next task is to clean the fish. Insert a knife or kitchen scissors in the small hole on the belly and cut right through to the head. Open the fish and remove the guts, pulling with your fingers. Discard the guts. With a small knife, scrape inside the belly to remove any trapped dark blood inside the fish. Rinse and dry the fish very well before proceeding. To bake a fish whole, such as the snapper shown here, rub the inside of the cavity with sea salt, tuck in slices of lemon and sprigs of dill, and make 2 diagonal cuts in the thickest part of each side of the fish so it cooks evenly. Drizzle with extra virgin olive oil. Season with pepper and a little more sea salt. Place the fish in an oiled baking dish and add a good splash of white wine. If you want to fillet the fish, you will first need to slip the knife under the gills and, keeping the knife parallel to the backbone, work firmly to remove the fillet, working towards the tail. Repeat on the other side of the fish. Each fillet may need a tiny trim. Check once again that there are no remaining scales, and remember that the backbone and the head will make marvellous fish stock.